This puzzle takes quite a few steps in order to figure out how to separate these pieces from one another. We can get to a place where we can get pretty close to disassembling the two peas from one another, but as you can see, it's quite tangled up and we can't get the pieces separated from one another just yet. This is a cast P and P puzzle, and the goal is to separate the two P's from one another. Now this puzzle is going to take quite a few steps. I'll try to break it down in the fewest steps possible. This cast P and P puzzle is made by Hanayama. It is a level 6 on the Puzzle Masters difficulty scale, which runs from 5 to 10, and the goal of the puzzle is just to separate the two P's from one another. To get the cast P and P puzzle for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca, and to see more videos from Puzzle Master, click that subscribe button. Now I'm going to break this down in the easiest steps to follow for you so you can figure out this puzzle for yourself. So first, move the P into this position here. Once we're in this position here, all the moves are going to be done with this brass key around the silver one. So we're going to rotate this brass key up and rotate it around the silver one like this. Then we need to get it so it's sitting like this. Next, we're going to step the bronze piece up and step it over this piece in the center of the silver P. Then we're going to rotate this puzzle so it sits like this. And now this piece is under here. We need to move it so it sits on top of this piece here. If we rotate this piece back over here and then rotate it so that this piece sits on top of this piece instead of underneath, now we can rotate this brass piece all the way around until we get it into this position here. Next, we're going to take it and go back over this center part in the middle of the silver P. Then we're going to take this brass part and put it underneath the silver P. And finally, pull this brass piece down and we can separate the two P's from one another. To get the cast P and P puzzle for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca.